Hello and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Allure. So this box is $15 a month. It's beauty, skincare, blah, 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 blah. There is a giveaway going on right now that is linked down below if you're interested. There's other information down there too if any of that interests you. My t-shirt is from Stranger Things. It's like the high school t-shirt or whatever. So let's get into Allure. Now, I remember, this is March's box. I remember last month's box was, it was okay. I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it. We had definitely had better. Open it up and this is what I see. You do get a pamphlet and it does tell you the prices of the full-sized items. And on the back it says refer a friend and get a reward. I always thought that that was the case, but maybe not. I thought that was just the case. Oh my God, I got hair out. I always just thought that that was the case with box subscriptions in general. You get a code, blah, 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 but whatever. So I open it up and this is what I see. The first thing I'm pulling out is by Rodial, or yeah, I don't know, Rodial Glam-A-Lash Mascara, extra large. Okay, and that is a full size, and that retails for $28. At least it looks full size to me. It is safety sealed. I'm not going to open it. I do have a ton of mascaras that are open, but I'm actually interested in trying this. So I just got a weird drop down. Okay, anyway, so I look forward to trying this. The next thing I am pulling out is by Promenade, and it's Red Energy Recovery Serum. Oh, my light. It's pretty dark here. It's in the evening. And it is, it retails, the full size retails for $40, and it says Promenade Red Energy Recovery Serum while in Seoul in South Korea last spring. I saw ads for Promenade's Red Energy Recovery Serum everywhere. Okay, so it's a new serum. I'll probably just pass it along. I have so many. The next thing I am pulling out is by Dr. Botanicals, and it's LM, Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. So that's something new. Usually whatever it is we get is like the Poe one with pomegranate. So this is definitely something new, and I look forward to trying that. The next thing I am getting is a floss, another floss. Oh wait, that, sorry about that. This retails for $15. And the floss retails for $16. I still have not had a chance to try the one that I have, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know if I'll hold on to it or pass it along. One or the other. The next thing I am pulling out is, it's a foaming shower gel, and it retails for $10. Oh, that's cool. By Rituals. Okay. Oh, it smells pretty good too. Without spraying it, I can smell it. That smells pretty good. I'm totally down. And then the last thing I am pulling out is a Lapcose Hyaluronic Moisturizing Mask that retails for $3. And you could have gotten one of two, and I got the blue one here. And I am always down for a new mask. So, all right, you guys, that was Allure for the month of March. What did you guys think? I didn't think it was bad. I'm not mad at it or anything. So that's all I have. Have a great day. Bye.